You're going to want to learn how to interact with your hardware. In order to do this, we're going to have to first get close enough. If you're too far away, you're not able to do anything. You'll see we have our mouse over the computer, but I don't see anything on the screen and no part is being highlighted. I need to move closer. As I move closer, the mouse now highlights parts as I move over them. This is a good thing. That means you're close enough to start working with your computer. Once you get close enough, if you try to click on an item, you'll notice in your event viewer it says you must enable the build break mode by clicking on the hand icon. This icon is located on the left side of your screen. It's the yellow hand icon. Left click on it to activate it. Once activated, you are now able to interact with your computer. So let's remove the side panel by first removing the two screws here, here, and finally the side panel. Now that the side panel is removed, I'm able to gain access to the internal components of the desktop computer. Right now, I see a ghost-like icon of the side panel. This can be a little disturbing when trying to work. For now, to get a better view, I'm going to right-click on my Activate button, and then I'm going to press the left shift. When I do that, I'm not in an activated mode, so I can't remove or install hardware. I'm able to move around though to view maybe a different perspective or check the system out. Once I get to a certain point and I want to continue interacting with the system, I can left click on the Activate button and you'll see that the ghost icons come back, so I can now install them or I can continue working with the system. For now, I'm going to put the case side panel back on by clicking on the side panel, installing it. Now I'm going to put the screws back in. Now that I'm done, I'm going to deactivate the build break mode, and now I can freely move around without accidentally pressing on any of the components or hardware.